Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a new Freeform board and immediately place your reference. This anchors proportion and perspective. Choose a pen and set stroke size. Smaller values give precision, larger values block shapes faster. Once done, mark construction lines lightly to define major masses and angles so you can erase them later. Use zoom and a simple grid to keep edges straight. Make sure to switch between colors for separate planes, because color coding speeds visual decisions and reduces confusion as you build form. Now build the drawing from general to specific. Block main shapes with broad strokes, then progressively refine with thinner pens to capture contours. Use pinch zoom for fine areas and the lasso to nudge or copy sections. This preserves proportion while you iterate. Once base shapes are stable, add texture. Short directional strokes for fur or hatching for shadow to suggest volume. Make sure to vary pressure or stroke density for contrast. This is how you imply light, and it separates foreground from background visually. Finish by erasing construction lines and increasing contrast where needed. Apply small highlights to edges to sell form. Once satisfied, export the board as PNG or PDF, or duplicate it before heavy edits so you keep a backup. If you spot jitter or unintended strokes, immediately undo. Freeform keeps a robust history, and use a smaller eraser or reduce stroke smoothing to regain control. If pressure responds poorly, toggle smoothing and test a quick stroke until the behavior matches your hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.